Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to reduce shipping fee on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, then you need to make sure you have chat and discuss price reduction with your supplier on 1688. I will just show you on how you can reduce the cost and go ahead to submit your order for that particular store on 1688. So next thing I'm going to do, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on my chat box right here. So I have a case study that I want to use as an example right here. I will just walk you through. So I'm going to use this particular store right here as an example. So I'm going to open up our chart. So you can see my chart with this store right here, and they agree to reduce the shipping cost. Now, once they agree to reduce the shipping cost, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and submit your order for possible discounted on that particular logistic fee. So for that, what we want to do is to go ahead and go back, then go ahead and click on the cart right here where you had the product in cart already. Then this is the product I'm going to use as an example. First thing first, make sure you select the order. So I'm going to select the order. Then having selected the order, go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Then next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and then allow everything to load. So next thing you want to do is to make sure you choose your. So once everything is loaded up, then here you can be sure of click on here and choose your means of payment. So in this tutorial, I'm making payments with my Alipay. But first thing first, we want to submit the order. So select Alipay or any means of payment you have right here. Then having selected your means of payment, go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Now, when Alipay is connected, instead of you to make the payment, what you need to do is to make sure you cancel the payment. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'll click on here to cancel the payment. And go ahead and click on here to cancel the payment. Now, when you cancel the payment, signal is going to be given to the store that you cancel the payment, just like what you see right here. Now, next thing we want to do here is to go ahead. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make a screenshot of this part. Then when you screenshot this part, so you can see the supplier here is talking to me. Go ahead and click on here and message them for a possible discount. Then I will select and send this to them. Then I will send this to them. Done. Now, once I send it to them, now you can see they have now reduced the price right here. You can see the initial price right here. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and proceed with the payment. So let me quickly reply. Okay, I'm from Nigerian. I like how you understand English. So it's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply reduce the shipping cost on 1688. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to shop and import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.